Righto, Nick, you ready?
Yep, all ready to go.
It's come off. Alright, up we go. 90%. Put it right in the corner there. He's got to bring it down to you manually rather than just put it back on the hook.
When he comes down, I'll just leave him on.
Oh, too far. Down back. Where do you want these ones? Imagine right there, maybe across a little bit. Boom. That'll do it. Now we've got a bit of a flow happening. I'll just bring it to them, they'll walk it to where it needs to go. Alright, last load. Slow it down, cowboy.
Yeah, you could shut down after that. I need to make one or two quick phone calls, and then yeah, you can probably head out with me and Freddie after that.
Yeah, I gotta put fuel in anyway.
Okay, right on.
Alright, this is the sleeping quarters. This is where the magic happens.
And he can't swim. Whoa! Do you mean your disabled toddler is drowning? Yeah, I go, right, well let's...
I bring my own pillow and sleeping bag on every job because I'm not too sure what the sleeping conditions are going to be like when I get there. I'm lucky enough to have a desk and to have this place to myself, this tent. And some of the other tents, they've got 3 or 4 guys sharing one tent, so I got to play the grateful game. What's cooking, Steve? What have we got going on here?
We got some homemade tomato soup, Reuben sandwiches, grilled cheese, salads, bang. Some Montreal smoked meat, bang. Ooh, that's what money right there.
Potato vodka is good in your fucking belly.
That would be fine.
Yeah. Somewhere around here?
Yeah. Somewhere around here, if that's possible.
If that's possible. Alright. Not a lot of opportunity here. I think I've got a spot up here, just but it might require you guys to get out. I back up and then you get to the basket. Alright, how's it looking out your side?
Yeah, we have to walk across the skid a little bit, but it's doable. Yeah, just when we get out, guys, just go really slow and yeah, one at a time. We'll kind of go over on the side here, and then he's going to twist a bit so we can get at the basket afterwards. So
one at a time.
Yeah, nice and slow.
Which one? Who's that?
I think that's Aldo coming out right now. He's on the skid. He's going to the front of the skid.
Yeah, big boy.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Now he's off. Now Freddie's coming out the door.
It's a little fella.
He's on the skid now.
Yeah, come on, Freddie.
There we go. He's got the door closed now. He's coming forward. Got a foot on the ground.
Alright.
Alright, he's good.
Clear.
Yep, they're clear.
Alright, coming back. That was a good one.
Oh, something else, yeah?
Alright.
Way to go.
And I might just come down here, like this.
Right on.
Oh, shit.
That thing snares the steel, buddy.
Oh, man.
Perfect, thank you, Darcy.
Yeah, no worries. I'd hate to make you guys walk.
I think we'll be good.
No shit.
Yeah. Can you show me the rocks?
Yeah, check out these guys.
Yeah, that's bright.
So that's copper that's oxidized, the blue.
Yeah, so that's copper oxide, that's azurite, and then here's your malachite. But yeah, I got some other samples there. The whole thing's just coated bright blue.
Oh, that's cool. Hey, Mike, you got a copy there, Mike? The reason I couldn't get Mike, I reckon I might have been one hill over too many, and I didn't have line of sight because he's going to be way down in the valley. I probably should have landed on this hill here. Hey Mike, you got a copy there, Mike?
Yeah, go ahead for Mike.
Yeah mate, how are you making out down there?
I can hear you coming, and I'm at a pad. I'm just putting my stuff in my bag here.
Alright, you need a pickup?
Yeah, I do. About you're like 9 o'clock there.
Yeah, I've got the pad visual. He's got a nice set of caribou antlers. Might just tow him in. That might be easier. Keep the tail hanging out over the river. No trees on the front of the blade. He's going to put the gear in the basket. Give him the nod of approval. Yeah, man, put that inside. Yeah, keep it. Fuck it. Why not? So as long as I've got 2 points of contact there, being on the front of the skids, it stays pretty steady, even if the back of the skids aren't touching anything.
Okay.
Right on, bro.
You bet, man.
You weren't waiting too long for me, were you?
Oh, no, I just started eating.
What are you doing here? Am I leaving you here?
Yep, and I'm going to do a couple more lengths.
Alright.
So I'll be another, hour, whatever, 45 minutes.
Good to go. Alright, might as well go check up on Rob while we're flying around. He's on the other side of this ridge line, another 7 miles away. I've got to climb up a couple of thousand feet just to get over top of it. Hey Rob, you got a copy, Rob?
Hey Darcy, how's it going?
Yeah, good mate, how you making out?
I'm over on your right hand side, climbing up that mountain. It might be good for me just to run down and get you to give me a lift up.
Yeah man, let's make life easy. You're going to have to vector me in, I don't have your visual.
I'm just off to your 11, 10-ish, up higher than you are right now.
Alright, I'll find a relatively flat spot here and you can walk down to me.
Yeah, that's perfect.
But it was all about, the reason why Clark became Union was an excuse for them to bid on Union work. It wasn't because they gave
It's only 1,500 pounds, easy.
Hey Darcy, you got a copy?
Yeah brother, we're good. I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah, I'll be standing here with the flag. If you want, just drop it where I'm at.
And just hand it to them and they'll put it where they want it to go. And I'll go back to camp, kick off this line and then go pick them up.
understand the things I do.
Ooh, look at that.
The world outside looks so unkind.
So the new pad that I'm taking everything to is only about 3 or 4 miles on the other side of this mountain. There and back, it's probably going to be somewhere in the range of 6 to 10 minutes every trip. And I think there's only 15 objects up there, and we're going to double some of those up because they're quite light.
down, keep it coming, keep it coming. Don't want to fly over him, don't want to squish him. I think this time I'll fly around this side of the mountain. Alright, we're trying 2 at once here. I've been timing my trips and it takes about 10 minutes to do a round trip, so that's only 6 picks an hour. It'll take 2 hours to do 12 picks, but if we keep doubling up all these loads, it'll obviously go a lot quicker. And if we make it go quicker, I can be in camp in time for lunch. So the way I fly when I'm trying to find the wind, I fly with the window open. I've obviously got this hole here. So if the wind's coming from the right, I'll feel the wind coming up in my face. And if the wind's coming from the left, I'll feel it coming through the window. It just sort of helps me a little bit more. I don't know if it's a good trick, but that's just what I do. Yeah, if we keep doubling up these loads, how many more do you think there will be?
6 or so.
Okay, alright, we should have that done in an hour.
Hey Darcy, that should be a pretty heavy load, but I think it's okay.
Okie dokie. We've got 2 baskets at a time. Pull, 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 pull. I'm in the yellow. Pull, pull, pull. To the top of the yellow. Pull, pull, pull. It wants to come off the ground. Pull, pull, pull.
MGT high. MGT high.
Yeah, too heavy. Try something else.
The next load should be a little bit lighter, I would think.
Yeah, well, I'm burning off 50 pounds of fuel every time I come back, so it's only going to get easier. I've got good reference out my window because of that shadow. That helps a bloody lot.
This is like a limestone, a rock with nothing interesting.
And where is the copper layer that we're interested in?
No, in the drill right now.
Oh, you're just starting to get into the layer now.
We are
So the next lot of core that comes in will be probably the copper.
This limestone unit is roughly about 100 meters thick. You can see it gets all black and dark, so it's getting more carbonaceous, more organic.
And that is what we usually see at the base of the limestone unit.
You can read this rock with your eyes closed.
Yeah, plus I walked all along the front and it's seen this stratigraphy log.
It's consistent from the surface.
Yeah, it's basically the same as what we see on the other side of the mountain.
Cool.
But yeah, usually it gets this dark like right towards the base, so we should be really close. Like this next shift we should very close, very close.